welcome to the Enclave at Crossroads West by KB Home, a charming new community nestled in the heart of Riverbank, featuring 114 beautifully designed single-family homes. Their master plan neighborhood offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Choose from 7 stunning floor plans with options ranging from cozy ranch-style homes to spacious 2-story designs, offering 3 to 5 bedrooms and living spaces between 1,469 square feet to 2,300 square feet. Step outside your door to enjoy parks, trails, and biking paths all within the community. Just minutes away from the Riverbank Sports Complex, Costco, and other amenities, you'll find shopping, dining, and entertainment close by, ensuring everything you need is within easy reach. With convenient access to Highway 99, you're just a short drive from Central Valley and Bay Area destinations, making it easy to explore all that California has to offer. Plus, enjoy year-round outdoor recreation at the breathtaking Yosemite National Park, just a scenic drive away. Homes start in the low 500s, offering incredible value in a prime location. Discover your dream home at Enclave at Crossroads West, where modern living meets small-town charm. If you have any questions about this, please contact me anytime at 209-272-9468.